absent yesterday. Let's see, get pages. Okay, then. Looks like we're ready. Who? Oh, you were? These are the book pages you need to rip out for chapter 2. And these are the answer pages. Don't forget the answers. You can do it at the end of class, okay? And then hole punch it. Put it in your binder. No. Hey.
Why are your AirPods out?
What?
Why are
Your AirPods are off? The spinner is fun, you. Sydney, when we're drafting a standard form quadratic, what is step 1? Find A, B, and C. And so, Rowan. Okay, I think Rowan's absent today, right? Is Rowan in the room right now? He's absent. So this is a quadratic. We refer to the numbers as either A, B, or C. Okay? Sydney, could you tell me what A is in this problem? 0.5. What's B? Good. And what's C? -2. Oh, did I write this down? -4. Well done, mommy. Well done. Alexandra, could you tell me out of A, B, and C, which one is the y-intercept? C is the y-intercept. So I'm going to circle C. It has a special place in our graph. It is the y-intercept. Good. I'm going to go ahead and set up a graph. How do you do that? Really straight line. Oh, it's my best line today. Sure why? It. I'm disappointed that my 5s look like S's. It's just like one little disappointment every day. Are you guys ahead of me? You already have your graphs all set up, ready to go? No? You good? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what y-intercepts on the y-axis, and we say it's at -2. So far, step 1. That's it. Step 1. Step 2. Colin, what is step 2 on the paper? Find the axis of symmetry, which is that great formula, -b over 2 times a. What's b, Colin? Yes, it's weird. B is already negative. But the formula has a negative in it. So you end up writing -4, and it cancels out, and it will become positive. So, yeah. This is the problem. No, he's right. He's totally right. This is it right here. Yeah. I need to write that on the screen. He's absolutely right. It did kind of look like I was gonna leave it there. And then boom, I changed it. This is our problem. Okay. And Colin, what's A? What's A? Okay, so we got negative 4 over 2 times 0.5. Have you had a chance to do that equation yet? Yeah. What did you get? 4. Okay, the negative and negative make it a positive 4. 2 times 1/2 is 1. I will agree with you, x is 4. And we call that AOS, axis of symmetry. Information. Yes, please. Vanessa, do you know where on the graph or how I should graph this axis of symmetry? What does it look like? Dash line at 4. Good job. Dash line. So good. Hey, are you with me? Yeah. You know what I have to? All these steps are on this paper I gave out yesterday. There's a video and slow or yes. I'm at 4. Really straight. Okay. So far, so good. We're halfway done. So far, so good. So far, so good. So far, so good. Jordan. Oh. Oh. Okay. Information got picked again. This spinner is so biased. There's only one information on there. What are you at, Eva? What steps are you? And do you have any idea how to do that? Did you say that? Yeah, you plug in the X that we just done. Yes, you're gonna plug in the result from step 2 into the equation. What's that? So that means I'm gonna take x equals 4. I'm gonna put it in here, and I'm gonna put it in here. Okay? So in your calculator, you don't type y equals, but you can type everything else. 0.5 times 4 squared minus 4 times 4 minus 2. Learn how to use your calculator efficiently. Sometimes students run out of time on the tests and the quizzes in this class, but they're not practicing their calculator on a daily basis. And it's a test, and they start and they do this and they enter and this and they enter instead of putting it all at once. And they'll ask me, what is the negative sign on this thing? It's just like, man, you're wasting time. You're not utilizing your time right. So practice your calculator every day so you're efficient on test days. I told you guys about the calculators in the meeting center. I have. Okay. Does anyone want to get one? No. Forgot. Gotta make it a priority. Your life will be so much better. Let's do this by hand. I'm gonna follow PAM. First exponent, Eva, what's 4 squared? 16. So I'll do 0.5 times 16. And what's 4 times 4? So I do the exponent before I do that 0.5. Exponents first. Do the multiplication in here. Okay, half of 16 is 8. 8 minus 16 is negative 8. And I get a negative 10. Anybody else see negative 10? Thumbs up if you got a negative 10. Alright. So now I have a vertex at 4, negative 10. And that is the most center point of the parabola. Back to blue. It'll land right on the dashed line. That's where it belongs. The vertex should always be on the dashed line. Now that we have a dashed line, we might as well reflect this guy over. Reflect this one. It's 1, 2, 3. It's 4. So if I count 4 this way, I can put a point. It's supposed to be at 9, isn't it? No, 4 plus 4 is 8. You can reflect that one if you want. Is it listening to me? Armando, you're up. What's step 4?
Create a graph. Create a graph for the tables of the value and use the semaphore as a vertex.
Good. We need to make a table, an XY table. So we can get 5 full points. And where does the vertex stop? What'd you say?
In the middle of the graph.
In the middle. So this point, this 4, negative 10, is going to land right here in the middle of the table. We already have that point. We did the work for it. We might as well fill our table with it. Yes.
So for every question that they ask about this, we have to do that, the table.
Well,
Like, is that a required step?
If there's not a number here,
Yeah.
you already have it memorized. You can just draw what you memorized.
Okay.
Okay? And some people know, even right now, that it's 1/2. So you could go from here over 1 up 1/2.
Okay.
But that can be really tricky. So at some point, we're trying to get into more difficult. It'll say something like 0.73. You know, where it's really hard to figure out without the table.
Gotcha.
So we're trying to use a method that will help you come up with more points if it's not more of a basic one. So let me answer. The short answer is no, you don't have to learn. Okay. The more complicated the equation, like today we have a point test, the more you need to rely on the table.
Okay.
It's really all about the number in front of it. And every table is different because the vertex could be anywhere. This one's all the way over at 4, so I count down from 4, and I'm going to go with 3 and 2. 2 points lower. And then I'm going to count up from 4 and do 5 and 6 because I want 2 points higher. Alright. So now we're plugging in. Just like we plugged in before, we're plugging in these numbers. So if you're using the TI-36, if you type this in once, you don't have to type it in again. You arrow up. You arrow up to what you typed. You hit enter, and it brings it down. You arrow over to the parentheses, and right where I have 4 typed in, I put a 3. And then you arrow over, and I put a 3 and hit enter. So you don't have to retype it every time. It has a select, it has like a copy and paste tool. actually going to take volunteers for these answers. I want to see people doing it by hand. I want to see people hustling with their calculator. I'll give you 1 bonus point for volunteering one of these answers in the table. Who wants to share an answer? So something in the table here. Yes,
-8.
What'd you get?
-8 for 2.
2 came out -8. Did anybody else get 2 -8? Yes, good job. But it's so true last name. Cordova. So we have an ordered pair at 2 -8. Okay, who else wants to volunteer an answer for a point? Eva?
-9.5.
Which one is -9.5?
30.
Did anybody else get -9.5 for 3? Okay, it's been confirmed. What's your last name, Eva? Alright, and then I saw Jaden. You had your hand up. Do you know more? 5 is also -9.5. So your last name start with P also? What's yours? Stan? And then lastly, who had their hand up first and longest? Was it Colin? I think it was Colin. Go ahead, Colin. -8 again. There's symmetry here. That will happen most of the time. If your axis of symmetry is a fraction, you won't see symmetry. All the other times you will. Good job. Nice one. So A here is 1/2. Do I see 1/2 in the parabola? I do. Typically, our parabolas go from the vertex, they go over 1 up 1. But this one only goes over 1 up 1/2 because it's at -9.5. Because A is 1/2. There's a vertical shrink here. All of that still applies. Instead of over 2 up 4, it goes over 2 up 2. One last thing we have to do is donate an range. Do you happen to know domain of a parabola? It's written in the bottom right hand corner of the handout. If you had time yesterday, it's one of the last things we wrote. Domain range. What's just the domain? Real numbers. We're going to show that they move from -infinity through +infinity. All real numbers. The range is more challenging. Does anybody feel like they can beat the range then? Leo?
All positive.
From -10 all the way up to +infinity. Well said. This time y is greater than -10 because when I read left to right, I'm going down, 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 down. I hit -10. Don't go any lower. I start to swoop back up and I go up for infinity. So the lowest y value is -10 and goes up forever. Okay? Any questions? Full review. Graph in standard form. You have another one to try on your assignment today. But right now I need you to get out a blank piece of paper for your bell work quiz. Because you cannot write my hand up. Do not write on here. When you are done, you put my little handout right here, and you turn your notebook paper into the blue basket, and then you work on today's assignment. Don't write on here. Okay. Okay. Let me help you. Let's go. Close this out. Okay. No. Okay. Yeah, do it on a separate piece of paper. So here's what it looks like. What I want to point out to you is that you don't do every question on the bell work. You don't have to write it all down. For instance, if you look at number 8, it says you only do number 3. On August 28th, you only do number 3. On number 2, you only do number 2. You don't do them all. So notice the number next to the date. Right. So the standard is it starts with MA.912.F.1.1. And part of bell work, the slide said write the standard. And I said, what do you think MA means? What do you think F means? And we talked all about it. That's what you're supposed to write down. Wednesday. So this is what I will tell you. The first one is always